Hello, I'm Mary, and if you find prospecting and sifting through a long list of potential leads exhausting, then take a moment to listen carefully to me. I'll reveal 3 simple strategies that can change your world when executed correctly. Get paid to use your smartphone. Our proven system shows you how to earn thousands daily from the comfort of your home by leveraging the $493.13 billion global smartphone market. This opportunity is not MLM, cash gifting, Amazon, ClickBank, Facebook, or anything you might be thinking. There are no pass-up sales, roll-ups, admin fees, qualifiers, monthly fees, or chargebacks. You keep 100% of all sales, starting with your very first sale on day 1. Discover a proven system that allows you to easily earn $2,000 to $20,000 plus per week. It works, and it's easy to duplicate. If you're tired of struggling financially, take action now. Earn up to $2,000 to $20,000 in cash for every new member who joins you. Get paid on the same day. Here's how to get started. This is an incredible way to get quick cash sent directly to your mailbox or the bank account of your choice. Plus, you'll receive fantastic startup bonuses. Sign up on our website now and start enjoying that extra income flowing in right away. It's as easy as pie. Share this video with your friends. It's time for you to start receiving real mailbox cash money. My startup bonuses: $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. $1,000 in restaurant and fast food chain coupons, including places like TGI Fridays, Chili's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, Burger King, Jack in the Box, Wendy's, Popeye Chicken, What a Burger, and many more. 3-day 2-night trips. 8-day 7-night trips. My hot new mailbox cash money marketing kit. In the meantime, please feel free to call Rick with any questions at 346-704-1754. Welcome to the #1 Dream Team. To your success, visit www.mailboxmoneyleads.com. Be sure to watch the short overview video and then let's chat. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Take action now. God bless.